Tundra has now got a new motor. You can't see it, but it's a motor out of the Excalibur. Pretty similar weight, pretty similar KV, pretty similar size. Should go pretty similar, don't you think? So without further ado, let's just take off. We're running a 16. We're running a, start again. We are running a 13x6 prop. Let's go into the wind. So that is the mighty Tundra back in the air. We blew the motor out in it last week. And with the wind, as you can probably hear, we'll do a stall into the wind. So now we're into the wind, no flaps or anything, but just nice and easy. Look at her. Hey, that's not me doing that, that's the wind. That wind come up all of a sudden. 2700 4 banger. Let's get in a bit closer so we can see what's going on with her. Nice, isn't it? I like that timber prop. You got $3. Hey, she likes that wind. That teaches you how to fly. I don't want to go flat out anyway, no. She's looking pretty dark over there, isn't it? I haven't got the canopy on it, so I'm not going to do anything silly with it. I find when I get to there, you got to sort of give it some up elevator, turn and sort of hit the power a bit more to just try and get it flat. It'll be fun to land. Into the wind. Now this is where it's fun because you can sort of sail, you can't probably see that, but you can sort of slide across. You can do a loop. That just keeps everything in there. So we're just dead sticking it now, coming in. Back on the power of it, level her off. Give it to it, she said. Look at that. Straight into the wind, just awesome. I like flying in this sort of what I'd call a medium breeze. Get that power back on. Hey. Now I test ran this last night. The camera went flat, or the battery went flat. Fingers off, that's hands off everything. Gee, just really nice to fly this. Let's go. Fingers back on. Stop showing off. Bring her in for a land. Righto, there we come. We might not get that other second battery in. They might not get that other second battery in. Probably tip over here, you watch. What have we got left in the battery? She said 3.7. How's that motor? That motor is cold as, battery's colder. ESC is, I don't know, ESC is kind of warm.